My lord, it is practically seen, my lord, throughout the country. Most of the Aadhaar is made in the border districts. So I only request him, my lord, if lordship can add some one line, my lord, to control this fake documents, fake Aadhaar, etc.
No.
They have already.
It has seen in Malad throughout the country.
Two things.
Whenever there are Bangladeshi Rohingyas are captured by the police, the Aadhaar is from the Bengal. The document is from the Bengal. This is the practical situation.
How many documents you want from the Uttar Pradesh?
I am placing it before the lordships with utmost responsibility, my lord, and request. This is the practical situation.
The documents that have been submitted by 14th of February, physical or soft copies, millets. What has the process that we adopted was this, millets. Whatever the copies they have given, we have uploaded, we have given a receipt.
The uploading itself is in some controversy.
That's right.
Because of the number of documents which were filed on or before 14. So there are certain documents which, as per our directions, there are endorsements, but have not been uploaded. So this is an area of document which our direction clarifies will be within the domain of verification.
And in order to
Documents
ensure,
after that would definitely not be considered.
and in order to ensure that there is no misuse of this part, we have said that the ERO and AERO will have to certify it.
Yes.
In fact,
Right.
millets, we have already done that. One is my humble submission, that once they have given,
No, Mr.
That was the
Knight, you are
matter of
not correct.
controversy.
The exercise, what is happening is, because the volume is so much, the uploading takes time and the site sometimes crashes. And this is why by 14th, all the documents which were physically available were not uploaded within 14. Some have been uploaded after 14 and some have not been uploaded at all. It will be up to the ERO to clarify that they have received before 14.
Your concern can be,
Within 14.
your concern can be about those documents which of course were never uploaded and which were not submitted say till 14.
Yes.
But today we are on 24th February.
Yes.
Say for example, by now somebody has given document. We understand that. That's why the bonus is on them to show that the documents were received.
that's why, millet, the fact remains, we have given the receipts. Not even one voter has complained that his has not been uploaded.
The judge. That's no problem. Judge see.
So,
No.
except the political party's voter who has,
You have undertaken an inquisitorial exercise, not an adjudicatory exercise.
No, Minister.
So we are not concerned with the voter coming up.
Yes.
We're concerned with the fairness of
at
it.
best, millet, it only remains an allegation because we have given the receipt and that's been authenticated.
My lord,
Correct.
And-
Let us say there is no receipt, out. But there is a receipt but not uploaded. That's why to
Millet,
that
that-
extent they should have a right.
It's a demonstrable thing.
Exactly.
It's a demonstrable.
That's why the ERO will verify and.
Could my lords, that clarification be given, millet?
Which is there. There is there.
Millets, if the receipt contains a document which has not been uploaded, certainly they will have a right to represent that one. If there is a discrepancy. That we need
The physical document will be seen by the judge with the verification of the
Precisely.
receipt and examined as to its veracity.
that guideline may be added.
Already said, read the order.
my lord, only one humble request,
Then
my
the
lord.
last one, millets.
Just now.
All the officers that have been deputed, non-judicial officers, millets, we retain our disciplinary powers because we have to give directions, we have to write them in and we have to make them work.
No discussion.
Don't have disciplinary powers.
No discussion.
I just
What is-
to anyone.
Beg your lordship's pardon.
We have not asked you to relieve anyone. Whosoever you are, it is for you, your concern.
There goes that.
My lord, it is practically seen, my lord, throughout the country. Most of the Aadhaar is made in the border districts. So I only request him, my lord, if lordship can add some one line, my lord, to control this fake documents, fake Aadhaar, etc.
No.
They have already.
It has seen in Malad throughout the country.
Two things.
Whenever there are Bangladeshi Rohingyas are captured by the police, the Aadhaar is from the Bengal. The document is from the Bengal. This is the practical situation.
How many documents you want from the Uttar Pradesh?
I am placing it before the lordships with utmost responsibility, my lord, and request. This is the practical situation.
Mr. Pade, it may or may not be because it will require a deeper probe. But this is not the timing of that probe because the least we are misunderstood by anyone. Let the right atmosphere and environment.
Yes, yes, my lad, but please see the consequence of this matlab, direction in future. Because this SIR will become the benchmark for
Mr. Upadhyay, the best thing is the Solicitor General is there to make a representation to the Union of India to amend the Representation of People's Act.
and even Aadhaar. Even Aadhaar, which allows the
Because we are dealing with the Representation of People's Act, the law as it stands.
Whichever amendment needs, whichever enactment needs amendment.
Let Mr. Upadhyay approach the Solicitor.
I understand that this is not followed the
This
proceedings.
cannot be our forum for discussion on this. If Aadhaar has been fraudulently procured on a industrial scale, as you say, then it requires to be statutorily regulated because Representation of People's Act was amended. Aadhaar was brought in as a document which will prove identity. We have to acknowledge that.
but my lad,
Help us in that.
then Lordships,
Approach the Union of.
Lordships have reiterated the previous order, my lad. If Lordships can say
They have clarified.
Aadhaar only,
Not the-
identity only. If Lordships add only one word, only, it will become crystal clear.
We have already clarified and
Our order is
this
very clear.
order also Honorable Chief Justice said for the purpose of identity.
Correct.
So there is no question of citizenship being
And
canvassed through
our
Aadhaar.
other judicial orders passed from time.
Yes.
Yes.
As per usual order.
The Millets, the application with regard to uploaded documents, Millets, comparing with the receipts.
Okay.
Receipts issued by 14th February.
The receipts, the documents received by 14th February, whether uploaded or not, will be within the domain of the judge.
Based on the receipts issued by then, Millets. By 14th.
What you have not issued.
How could that be? Millets, they give, today they give some documents. I give the receipt that day. It can't be 1 week later. That's all my submission, Millets.
Yes, it can't, otherwise
opens
it
a
happens
Pandora-
to extension of time.
That's what the lordships have said.
The YARO will vet and say.
Received and not uploaded. That's what your lordships have
I
said.
have given documents.
Well, I'm sure
And
the
I get
Chief
that
Justice,
receipt.
if he has any
Mr.
problem,
Millets,
will take a clarification.
It can be permitted.
If there is anything missing, it should be compared with the receipt you were given on that day. That's my submission.
Because
It needs to be.
if you recollect, Mr. Naidu, our order was there that when they are submitting the documents, they will be given a receipt.
Exactly. And it should be compared
After
with
the
that.
receipt, because there are some fake documents being created, etc.
And even receipts can be created. That's the apprehension.
no.
It should be coterminous.
This is why our order takes care of that. If a receipt has been fraudulently created, correct? The ERO will immediately say this is not right.
Absolutely.
That's the whole issue, Millets, to what extent the EROs vouch for their conduct.
Sir, there are receipts available to the judicial officer of the ERO. He has a right as a judge under 73 of the Evidence Act to compare the two receipts. If this is a fraudulent on the face of it receipt,
Should be.
we just
They should
throw
be
it out.
coterminous. That's all, Millets.
Grateful.